Good day to you, all my viewers. I want to show the vector group of Dyn11. Uh, I've done for that of Dyn1, and this one is just direct opposite of what I've done before. Now, and as I earlier mentioned, the vector group connection is for you to, it allows you to parallel two or more transformers. If you parallel two or more transformer of different vector group, it means there will be short circuits and the reaction may be disastrous. So the one I want to show is Dyn11 internal connection. So let's start by bringing out our four cardinal points. This is 12 o'clock, this is 3 o'clock, this is 6 o'clock, and this is 9 o'clock. As I earlier said, 1 o'clock will be around here, 2 will be around here, 3, 4, 5, 6. Definitely 11 o'clock will be around here. So, and in this Dyn11, what this one means is that high voltage side is the one connected in delta, low voltage side is connected in star, with neutral connected to this 11 low voltage side, and this 11 means that low voltage is leading high voltage by 30 degrees. So let's draw this, and this is how it will be. It will be like this. This is what we usually see outside of the transformer tank, which is the bushing side. 1U, 1V, and 1W. So the star part of it will be like this. Since it is 11 o'clock, it will be like this, like this, like this. This is 2U, 2V, and 2W. Here I have my 2N, 2N. So this is a vector group internal connections. So I will now have and if you want to draw this, there is a logic to do that. Look at it here. This delta connection will be derived out of this or from this. Let's watch out. As I said, if you draw your four cardinal points here, it means 11 o'clock will be coming out of here, which is from here. Now look at here. I have my this is U. Let's name this U1, 1U, 2U. Can we see? So I have another one here this way. This is 2V, sorry, 1V, 2V. don't let us mix up the labeling, so that when we want to connect this in star or arrange it on data, we will not confuse. So I have this. Sorry, I have this as, so this is 1W, 2W. All these are winding. This is starting of the coil, and this is the end of the coil. Starting of the coil, this is the end of the coil. Starting, the end, or we said the head of the winding, the tail of the winding, the head of the winding, the tail of the winding, the head of the winding, the tail of the winding. So if I do like this, I believe I have not done anything wrong. Removing this out, I have 2V here. I have 1V here. This is the winding. Now, look at it. Look at this from here. Look at this. You bring it here straight. This is, we have 2U here and we have 1U here. So to close our triangle, we bring this to here. Then what are we having here? 2W, 1W. So we will now join this, or let's connect this the way it will be positioned in our transformer tank, and bring out our external connection through bushing. So I don't want us to, because I'll be making use of this to draw out that. So in the transformer, I have one, this is first winding, let me divide here. So this is another winding, and this is another winding. Now, since we said we have the head of the winding and the tail, the head, the tail, the head, the tail. Now look at here, this is our 1U, 2U. This is 1V, 2V, 1W, and 2W. Now from here, we have 2W, 1U. Can we see that? 2W, which is this, connecting to 1U. Look at it, connected. Here, I have, we are done with this. I have 2U, 1V here. Look at this, 2U, see 2U here, and 1V is here. 2U, 1V. Connect them together. Now, we are done with this one also. Look at this, we have 2V, 1W. 2V is here, and our 1W is here. So our data is formed, which is high voltage side, HV side data connection, data connection. Then to do for that of star is very simple. And take note of this, we have our 2U, 2V, and 2W here. That means this will be our start points. So let's draw the LV winding. I have the first winding, the second winding, and the third winding. And since it is star, look at this, we have our 1U, small letter here. This is capital letter. Then 2U. I have 1V here. I have 2V here. I have 1W. I have 2W here. So the three are star together. Look at it, star. And our neutral is connected out of it. This is our what? 1N. But in the transformer connection, this particular labeling is for our internal connection. And if you look at the transformer bushing, usually you will see 1U, 1V, 1W at the high voltage side, then 2U, 2V, 2W at the low voltage side, and 2N. So let's represent this with 2U, 2V, 2W, and 2N here. So as to differentiate the low voltage side from the high voltage side. And this is LV, which is low voltage star connection. Star connection. So if you look at this now, we are completely done with our internal connection of the Dyn11 transformer. Dyn11 transformer. Make sure you watch my previous video, which I did for Dyn1 for more understanding. And if you have any question as regarding this,